Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. So today's video is a Diwali special video. So first of all, we would like to wish all our viewers a very happy Diwali. So in today's video, we would like to show you some beautiful home decor ideas which you can try this Diwali season. So let's get started. First of all, we will see how to make a diya stand from plastic spoons. For this, all you need is plastic spoons. If you have colored plastic spoons, you can use them. Otherwise, just color the top portion of the spoon with golden color, or you can just simply dust some golden glitter or golden dust on it with the help of glue. Now take an old CD and place the cutout spoons on it with the help of glue gun. You need to cover the whole CD with this plastic spoons. And here, your diya stand from plastic spoon is ready. All you need to do is just place a tea light candle in the middle of the CD. How to make popsicle stick lampshade. For this, you need 4 square shaped paper, white paper. Make designs of your choice on this paper and then stick on all 4 sides of paper some popsicle sticks. You can color these popsicle sticks. Once this is done, with the help of glue gun or normal glue, just stick all 4 sides together. And now to complete this lampshade, all you need to do is just place a tea light candle in the middle of this lampshade and your popsicle stick lampshade is ready. Now let's see how to make diya stand or diya holder with the help of cardboard. For this, all you need is 2 cardboard pieces cut into the shape of your choice. Paint it and decorate it the way as you wish. Here I have used small decorative leaves to decorate this diya stand. Then I have added some flowers and I have lit a tea light candle in the middle of the diya holder. And here your diya stand or diya holder made with cardboard is ready. Once again wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Thanks for watching.